Hello, everyone. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello? 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 Hello?
Yes, Professor, can you hear me?
Have you logged in?
Let's see. I think.
Yes, I can see you. Can you hear me or
Yes.
not? Can you hear me or not?
Yes, I can hear you.
No, you can hear me on the phone. Okay, I'll hang up. Let me know if you can hear me on the Zoom. Can you hear me, Vitaly? Hello? Hello? Can you see me? Hello? 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 Hello, Vitaly?
Hello, Professor.
Hello, hello. I am so sorry.
No. Sorry about that. Yeah, there was a delay. I had my earphones in, so it kept connecting differently. But
No, I was trying to log in. It tells me wait until host admits you. And I've been, of course, I'm the host. I couldn't understand what's going on. Then I logged out of Zoom and tried logged in again. It doesn't accept my password, reinitialize password. So it was, sorry about that, but
it happens. It happens.
I even tried to log in earlier than the time, but no luck.
It happens. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Chad. Hello, Chad.
Yes, I'm here.
Have you installed the software?
I have not. I am currently using a MacBook, and it's not compatible.
Oh.
So
what are you gonna do then?
I'm gonna download it on my desktop at my house, and then practice on there.
Okay, because we need it. Or you can use in parallel, in addition to your house, you may use the lab. It is installed in the lab.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay. Dr. Jim Ballard.
Yes, sir.
Would you tell them about the lab where this software is installed?
I asked ITS to put it on all the computers in the last lab on the left, the one clear to the south. I think that's 251.
Yeah.
And it should be on all of them. I'm not sure they've gotten it in yet, but I did request it a couple days ago.
But it was installed on the 2 North labs. Have you found it?
I did not find it in that lab anyway. I'll look in some of the other labs.
Oh, okay. Because When I left, it was installed. I installed it at least in 2 labs.
I think every year they re-image, and unless somebody tells them to put it back in, they don't put it in.
Okay, okay. So would you please request the installation in all 4 labs?
All 4. I will do that then.
Yes, because sometime you want to go into a lab and there is a class in there, so you can move to another lab.
Okay, now, do you want to give everybody lab passes or only those people who need the lab passes or what?
It
I
wouldn't
can-
hurt anybody if you get a lab pass and you don't use it. It doesn't
Okay.
hurt anybody.
Okay,
Okay,
I will do that.
thank you, sir. Vitaly,
Yes, Professor.
have you installed the software?
Yes, like I said, I did it on my desktop computer as well.
And it is working
Sorry.
well with you?
Yes, sir. No problem.
Okay. Jose? Hello, Jose?
Yeah.
The software is installed?
I was gonna ask because I downloaded it last year and it seems like it's the same one. So
Yes,
I
it
have
is.
quarters. Yeah, I have quarters already here. So yeah.
Last year. I don't know. Who taught it last year? And
Dr.
Indita?
Paul. Yeah.
And Indita. Okay, if you can use it, okay. Very good.
All right. Awesome.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll share my screen. Would you please open your canvas and go to the modules and to the lab? Are you all in there?
No, we're supposed to go to the lab.
No, go to your canvas, to the course on Canvas, the one you are seeing right now, modules, lab.
That's what I meant. Lab, we're supposed to be in lab 1.
Lab 1A. When you go to Lab 1A and open it, you are going to see this message. It says Lab 1A. That is what you need. And it tells you the assignment. Some reading, you have to read it, and we'll be doing 2 lab experiments, Lab 1A and Lab 1B. Okay, now I go back to modules. Where are the readings? The readings are those that I mentioned last time, reading material. Those are the readings. And now I go to the lab. Here I have Lab 1A and Lab 1B.
I'm not seeing your screen. Am I supposed to be seeing your screen?
Yes, you are. Okay,
I see. I only see you.
because you like me, maybe. Anyway, I stop
Well-
sharing and start sharing again.
Are the others seeing you?
Yeah,
Can
I
you
was
see
seeing
me?
him.
It's positive.
Can you
can
see
see him.
my screen now?
Nope.
I can see your
Okay.
screen, Professor. Yes.
James, you might have him pinned.
Yeah, unpin
Dr. Jim
him.
Ballard, Dr. Jim Ballard,
How do I unpin?
you cannot see my screen. I have, for example, now I have PowerPoint. Can you see the PowerPoint?
No. And how do I unpin you?
Professor Ballard, if you look at his the screen where his face is showing up in the top
Yeah.
right, there should be 3 little gray dots.
Yep.
If you click on those and it'll say pin or unpin, just select that and you should be able to see his screen that's being shown.
I see chat and pin. Should I go to, I'm on chat.
Okay.
Remove pin.
Okay, so you
No.
see where like the little boxes with his face and like you have the different view icons. There's like the single box and then the thumbnail video. So professors display along with the other students, and then you can have like everyone that's on the call displayed.
Where is that?
If you like see
View in the top right.
yeah, the top right, there's a little 4 icons. You can minimize the thumbnail video. You can just show the active speaker. You can
I can
just show.
I can see speaker, gallery, and full screen. The full, up in the full right. Or on his picture.
On his picture, yeah. So that there's like in the top right corner of his picture, there should be a little box that says swap shared screen with video.
Nope,
Click on that.
nope, mine just says chat pin.
So don't click on the 3 gray dots. You should see like on his actual thumbnail video.
I don't see that. So tell me again, it's on his picture?
Yes, it should be on his picture.
And where up in the right hand corner?
Yep, it should be a little box icon.
I click
says-
that. It says it has 3 dots in it.
Yeah, so not the actual 3 dots one, but the one right above.
No, I don't have one right above. Very strange.
Professor, do you
If
want me
you
to share my?
left the meeting and rejoined, it would probably fix your issue.
I will
Professor,
do.
Professor, would you like me to share my screen so I can show him?
Yeah,
Just a moment. Now you may share the screen. Can you share the screen now?
Okay, let me try. All right, you should be able to see my screen. This one.
I don't.
Let's see.
Who am I talking to?
Let me go to full screen here. I think I'm sharing the wrong screen. 1 sec.
Any luck?
1 second, Professor. Okay, so this should be my Zoom. So yeah, that's your pin and chat. So not this one, but it should be right up here in these icons. Because here, if I click on that,
I can't see you.
is my screen not shared?
Maybe it is to
No.
others. It isn't to me.
No,
It seems
your
to
screen
just
is the same as my
James.
screen. What's the difference? He disabled it somehow.
Here, I'll stop sharing. And then Professor, try sharing your screen again.
Okay. You may see him after class or help him with this if you.
I'm going to sign out and try to sign back in.
Okay. I guess, yes, okay. Now I'm going to share my screen and we're going to continue. Please go to our lab 1A basic data course, download this one and start reading it. For this software, each program that you will be making, you need to have a folder for it. So I am going to create a folder here. I'm going to call it test 1. That is what I called it. And the lab I gave you, it has full instruction about quartz. In addition, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple program similar to one in the lab 1A, that is basic data. Here I'm starting my course, so please start your course also. It starts here with new project. So I'm going to tell it, we have a new project. Where the project will be located, I am going to tell it the path to find it. Test 1, this is the folder. And I'm going to call the program the same name, test 1. Next, empty project, yes. I'm not adding any files extra. Here, I need to select the module that we are going to be using. This module, it is the Max 10. And the device, it is Max 10 DA. All of these instructions are written in details. And here, the package, it is FPGA. Number of pins, 484. Core speed, 7. Here, name of the filter, 10M50. And I'm using this device, the first one. Next.
Professor, quick question.
Pardon me?
Can you go back for 2 slides? And one more? No, one more forward now.
One more back?
No, forward now to the package and all the core count.
Okay.
It's FBGA, not FPGA. Okay, never mind. Perfect.
Okay. Now we finish. Wait a second. This is my project test. I
missed what you put down at the bottom there. On the family device board settings, you clicked one of them.
No, I cannot go back now.
Okay.
The project has been established, but it is written in full details in the file I sent you.
Okay.
Now I started here, new. This new I need to have a new file. I'm going to use block diagram schematic file. Here is it. In this block diagram, I'm going to just build an AND gate, just plain AND gate. Those are the gates here. Symbols. Open the library. I need the basic library, the primitive library, logic. And with the logic, I have AND with 2 input as it appears. I leave my AND here. I can put many ANDs, but I'm going to hit escape not to add any more. Now, this AND will not work by itself. It needs an input and output. If I come here and select input, I need 2 inputs for this AND. Then I hit escape. Now I am hitting output. I am adding an output here. I don't like the names it is here, so I can double click and change the name if you want to. If you want to keep them, okay. You can change the name of the input and output, whatever you like, by double clicking. And I need to connect them together. Connect them together here. This is the orthogonal wiring. From this point to input 1 of the AND. From this point to this input of the AND. And from the output of the AND to the output pin. I finished with my circuit. Now, I need to convert it to the machine language and do the process of checking the connectivity of the circuit and making what is called netlist, that is searching for any redundancy. If you have many gates and there are gates are redundant. For example, if you have 4 NOT in cascade, that is useless, or 2 NOTs in cascade. So it can be removed. So the program would do things like that. And to do the compilation of this and testing, I go to processing, start compilation. I can hit Control L instead. Now start compilation. Oh, I forgot to save it. We need to save it. The default name, I'm going to use it test1. Please remember the program name and the folder should be the same, and it is case sensitive. On the left-hand side here, you can see the progress of the compilation. compile, design, synthesis, filtering, assembler. As it is progressing, if you have any error, it will stop and tell you the error you have. So you can correct it. But unfortunately, this is not like any high-level language in C or C++. It tells you where the error, what type of error is there. Here, no, this software or any software for FPGA, they expect you to be very well educated in programming, and you're an engineer working with FPGA. So they don't care about giving you, but still with whatever data you're gonna get, yes, you can find out where the error, at least where the error is. Now it has finished with 0 error. We have 15 warnings. We don't care about those 15 warnings at all. Okay. This is my circuit as it is. Now I want to test it. To test it, I need to give it an input and see the output. Okay, let's do that. I go again to new. New, I go all the way down until I find universal program. This is waveform generator. I selected this one. On this one, I'm going to give input, and the program, it will send this input to my program and get the output. So to do that, first, I need some settings. I'm going to go to edit, grid size. I am going to select this to be 100 nanosecond. Then I'm going to go back again, set the end time. End time, I have AND gate with 2 inputs. So I have 4 options, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So if I put here, don't forget, this is microsecond. We need to be on nanosecond. If I put here, for example, 1000 nanosecond, that will be much more than what I need. Now I need this waveform generator to go to the circuit that I built and capture the input and output. To do that, insert node or bus. It will go to node finder. Here is the node finder. List whatever you have. Oh, it found. I have 2 inputs and 1 outputs. I'm going to select them all. Okay. Now I have my 2 inputs and 1 out. 2 inputs and 1 out. Now I'm going to give the input myself. I can select, I have many options here, including random, but I know what I want. So I'm going to select this count value. Oh, I select the pin first. Pin first. This is going to be oscillating between high and low. I want that to happen every 100 nanosecond. Okay. What about the second one? The second one, the same thing, but I wanted to change every 200 nanosecond. This will give me my options. I started with 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, back to the beginning, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and so on. Now I have this. I need, before running it, I need to save this also. I call it again test 1. After finishing with this, now I need to run it. So I go to simulation. I have 2 runs, run functional simulation and run timing simulation. What is the difference? Run timing simulation, if you have many logic circuits and they are cascading, they are in parallel, whatever, each one will take some time to process the data in. If I go logic, I don't care about that time. At least at the very beginning, I don't care about it. But when I'm approaching my final design, I will do the time simulation because maybe there are delays that could cause errors when you reach the final stage. But here, I'm gonna select simulation, run functional simulation. Oh, can you see the output? When do we get 1? When both inputs are high, I get 1. When both inputs are high, I get 1. So my circuit is working okay. In your assignment, you are not gonna be just building one AND. I believe you are building AND, OR, and NOT, several circuits, but all of them will follow the same steps. If you follow the instruction on the assignment, Lab 1A, basic data, you are gonna do it. Many of my students did it with no trouble at all. In addition, I showed you here how to do it. This video, I am gonna upload it to Canvas as I uploaded the previous one, but it takes me quite some time to do that. So please, maybe by the end of the day or tomorrow, it will be available. But I have the first one already published. Any questions? Any questions? Dr.
Really?
Jim, any
Professor.
questions?
No questions from me.
Do you know what was wrong with your computer?
I have no idea. I turned everything off.
No,
and
I
started-
know. I know that you didn't pay the tuition of this course. That's what is happening to you.
Oh, I
Okay.
need to run. I need to run
Okay.
up there and do that.
Okay, please do that. I wish you all a great weekend.
You know,
Thank you very much.
you're a little
And-
harsh with me sometimes.
Pardon me?
You're a little harsh with this old man sometimes.
Not very harsh. I am younger than you by 20 years, but just not very far, okay?
You just don't like old people.
Okay. Thank you all. I wish you a great weekend. If you need anything, just call me. My cell phone is 617-952-9371. I am available. You may call me even over the weekend. Don't you ever call me collect. I will not accept. Thank you all.
Would you say
Bye
that
now.
number one more time?
Yes, please.
Would you say your-
617-952-9371.
Sorry,
Got
can you
it?
say it one more time?
Yes, it is
I got
written.
it. I got it. You're good. I'll send it to you.
It is on the chat. Okay, and I believe I
you.
put it on my syllabus also.
Thank you, Professor. Have a good weekend, okay?
Yeah, thank you,
Pardon me?
Professor.
Thank you.
Have a good weekend, Professor.
How many week?
No, I said have a good weekend. Enjoy it.
Oh, thank you, Vitali. You
Yeah,
are
of
a
course.
lifesaver today. Thank you very much.
No,
Thank you,
no, I
Professor.
appreciate you, Professor. Bye-bye.
Have a good day.
Bye bye.
Thank you, Professor.
Bye bye. Or